Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty sambar recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 carrots. I've cut them into long strips, 1 lime, or you can use lemon. You're also going to need 4 habanero peppers. You can add more if you want more spicy. Then I have some green bell pepper. I have the green one, orange one, and the red one. Then you're also going to need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a 1/4 cup of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and lastly 1 cup of shredded cabbage. In a pan or a pot, you're going to add a 1/4 cup of cooking oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and cook for 1 minute. Followed by 1 cup of shredded cabbage and stir well. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for at least 1 minute. Afterwards, you're going to add mixed bell pepper, habanero pepper, and the carrots and mix everything well. Lastly, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything well, then cover to let it cook for at least 5 minutes. Make sure you cook on a medium heat so that the sambar doesn't stick at the bottom. And after 5 minutes, open the lid and give a quick mix, and our sambar is ready, and serve in a bowl or a plate. And my spicy sambar is ready. As you can see in the video, it's nicely cooked and it's so tasty. You can eat your sambar with rice, pilau, biryani, or anything that you like and enjoy your sambar. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.